Mag-unbox lang tayo at magre-review. Actually, magi-giveaway nitong EDIFIER W220T wireless earbuds. What's up mga ka-YouTube? This is your boy G back in another video. Mag-unbox lang tayo at magre-review. Actually, magi-giveaway nitong EDIFIER W220T wireless earbuds. Pinadala to sa atin ni EDIFIER, so maraming salamat sa ating mga tropa dyan over EDIFIER, and I have a good news for you guys. Ipapamigay ko to sa one lucky winner, and EDIFIER, alright, themselves, EDIFIER will actually give another one, alright, another unit as a giveaway. So basically, dalawa ang ipamimigay natin. At hindi lang yun guys, right? May isa pa akong video, no? I don't have time right now, but meron tayong EDIFIER WH500. Ipapamigay din natin. Dalawa din, guys. Dalawa din. Lucky commenter under this video and under the video that I will create for this one, right? Dalawang video tayo. Mananalo rin ng ganyang unit. So, guys, dalawa nito ang papamigay natin at dalawa rin nung WH500. Alright? But I will put the link of this video down in the description, so check nyo yan. Let's go ahead and unbox this really quick. Gusto kong makita ko ano bang meron dito, no, sa W220 na to. So tara na guys, i-unbox na natin siya. Okay, so ito na yung EDIFIER natin guys. Let's go ahead and unbox this really quick, no. EDIFIER on the top, Snapdragon sound. So may processor siya syempre. Bluetooth 24 hours, W220T true wireless earbud headphones, veritable with bradaju. So, alam mo yan. Dual mic noise cancellation. Okay. So, I think that's just like para malinaw yung mic mo, no? Game mode. Okay. I think that's probably low latency game mode. Voice assistance and IPv4 dust and waterproof. Okay. Now, this is ridiculously cheap, right, guys? If you will check it on Lazada, it's actually just retailing for around 2,000 pesos, which is nuts. Tara, check natin. EDIFIER, as usual, maganda ang mga box ng EDIFIER. Wala akong complain. Ang gusto ko talaga ng mga box ng EDIFIER, no? Ganda ng box, simple sa loob, but very rigid and all. Wow! Ang liit! Marami akong wireless buds and hindi ganito kaliit, pero teka, balik tayo dyan mabilis. Sa ilalim, meron tayong silica gel. Actually, it's activated carbon. So, ito, mga manual. And then, ito actually yung true wireless earbud headphones manual. Right? It's very cute, maliit din, pero nandito sila lahat. Wow, ang liit! And then, you don't have any charger or whatever, USB lang. It's already USB Type-C. So, let's go ahead and check the actual wireless here. Okay, so nakita nyo naman, may plastic konti. Very shiny. Piano finish siya, kung makikita nyo. And it's ridiculously shiny, but sa sound core, ang laki-laki ng space ng sound core, pero siya, maliit siya. Very compact, right? Kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang AirPods. So, may logo sa taas, EDIFIER, and then little LED icon on the back. USB charger on the bottom. This is, again, USB Type-C. And the pairing button on the side. Now, wala tong wireless charging. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang actually kinakalaban niya ay yung AirPods directly. So, hindi siya actually like earbuds, right? Kasi wala siyang buds. As a matter of fact, ngayon ko lang siya napansin. It's actually like wireless earphones, right? Although ang tawag sa kanya is, wireless earbuds, wala naman siyang yung pinapasok mismo sa loob na buds, no? So, para siyang earphone. So, ang kalaban niya is yung AirPod, right? It actually almost looks identical, right? But this is definitely black. It's a piano finish. But meron logo dyan left and right. And build quality is extremely good. So, may EDIFIER tayong tatak dito. And, of course, sa kabila. Okay, so try natin connect siya wireless, no? Let's open our Bluetooth. Ito siya. So, let's just open it up. And pipindutin daw natin yung pairing button. Hold natin hanggang sa mag-blink tong dalawang to. Okay, I think nag-blink na siya, no? Kitang-kita siya. EDIFIER WT20. Alright, media. So, let's go ahead and select that. Pairing. You want to pair? Yes. And that's it. Pag na-pair na siya, iilaw siya na solid na blue, ay na puti kung nakita nyo, and then mamatay na siya. And it's all ready. So, let me go ahead and do some sound test and check natin kung maganda yung audio niya. Case 143. Okay. Mabilis to eh. Good job with your jump champ. Tinatanong ko yung anak ko, bakit palagay niya gusto ko K-pop lagi, no? Mga tugtog ng K-pop. Kasi daw, maganda daw mga K-pop. Sabi ko, hindi lang yun. Yung lyrics kasi di ko maintindihan, so pwede ako mag-murmur lang. So hindi ako i-correct ng misis ko. Napansin ko sa dati pag kumakanta ako ng mga American, mga English, kinokorek niya ako, sabi niya, hindi yan yung lyrics, hindi yan yung lyrics. Kahit maganda naman yung tono ko. O, di sa K-pop na lang, di niya ako makorek. Final Fantasy soundtrack, Scorpio Sentinel. Ooh, maganda siya dito, Pwede. Okay, let's go to Paganini. Taas yung treble. But very balanced siya. Ganda, ang linaw ng treble. Let's check on vocals kung okay siya sa vocals. Hurt ng Naka-max volume ako. New jeans. Ooh! Ang linaw ng vocals. Wow, okay. Man. 2,000 pesos, holy crap. Yeah. That's in a sobrang. Ganda. Ooh, ang lapit niya sa vocal, guys. I think advantages niya yung vocal, no? So, last one, let's go check some beat, no? From Michael Jackson. Treble niya, guys. Ooh. Oh, may bass din siya. Bam. Holy crap, ang lapit ng separation. Oh my God. Okay. What? 2,000 pesos? Holy crap. Hold up. Ang lapit ng separation niya, itong Billie Jean, sobrang obvious. So, left-right siya, syempre. Hindi lang mapaniwala kasi tigagalawan libo lang to, no? Hindi naman ganun kataas yung quality niya dapat. But, yung separation ng cymbals, no? Di ba parang may barakas yata itong yung Billie Jean sa simula. Yung ginaganon. Sobrang pronounced siya sa right side. Parang nasa likod ko siya. Tapos yung ibang beat, nandun naman siya sa may harapan ko. Ang lapit niya. Parang siyang surround na nandun ka sa harapan nung nagtutugtog. Hindi ganun kalupit. Siyempre katulad ng mga mamahaling earbuds, especially on this sound core. Hindi siya ganun. And wala rin siyang active noise cancellation. So I can actually hear a lot of stuff, So these are for people na ayaw nila ng mga active noise cancellation. But yung audio separation niya, astig, at napaka-balance ng equalizer. So yung bass niya is sapat, hindi siya over-empowering, hindi rin siya weak, andun lang siya. But yung vocal niya is very pronounced. Yung vocal niya is very forward, and pag nagsalita yung tao, rinig mo, nakakatakot, nakakagulat. Igagalawan libo lang to eh. Bakit ang ganda ng audio separation nito? Sulit to, no? Like, sobrang solid to. 2,500, 2,000, sobrang sulit nito para sa sound na binibigay niya. If you don't really need active noise cancellation, very good. Bluetooth 5.3 na siya. So, awesome. Bluetooth protocol niya, A2DP, AV-RCP, HFP. Distance niya up to 10 meters as usual. Playtime, 6 hours, okay, sa earbuds, and 18 hours sa charging case. Battery capacity niya is 35 milliamps, right? Sa earbud, and 350 milliamperes sa charging case. So, lit lang niya pero awesome siya. USB Type-C na siya. Again, 200 milliamps, 5 volts yung charging niya. USB Type-C, alright? 1 hour earbuds and 42 grams. Sobrang gano'n lang. Ito, yung mga actually codec niya, SBC, aptX, and aptX. Adaptive, right? Standard protocol, wala siya ng mga hi-fi o mga kung anong high-res, right? But it's pretty good. Yung driver niya is 13mm dynamic. Meron siyang 4 microphone, guys. Right? 2 in each microphone para maganda yung audio receiver ng mic, no? IP54 na rin to. And pretty good. Now, let me just check if yung control neto is gumagana ng maayos. Okay, so para talaga siyang AirPods ng Apple. If you squeeze it like that, it's actually gonna play. So, kita nyo, play. Pause, right? Now, I will try to double squeeze, all right? Okay, so it's playing on next double squeeze. Okay, pag hinold natin, nagtatanong siya ng voice assistance. Okay, ang isa pa pala, no, final na papakita ko sa inyo is pwede rin siya sa Edifier app. So, search nyo lang yan, Edifier Connect. Open lang natin siya. So, let's go ahead and try it. So, automatically, madidetect niya pag nakakonek ka na ng Bluetooth, syempre, madidetect niya na nandun ka. So, makikita nyo dito, 98% si left, 97% si right, and then box offline and Snapdragon sound. Now, on the bottom, it says headphones. So, ayan yan. And then, meron siyang tatlong page. Actually, first page is just that. Kita nyo? Second page is actually says classic pop, classical rock. So that's the equalizer. Now, pag nag-second page ka pa ulit is game mode off, game mode on. So again, that's basically the latency. Now here, may discover, it's just kind of like the store or something, right? If you want to buy and explore their products. On the mall, it's absolutely the same. So that's just that and search. O ang pinakamagagamit mo is yung unang-unang part niya, yung headphones. May settings sa taas. You can check the user manual, power off, shutdown timer, prompt volume, control settings, pressure sensitivity, disconnect Bluetooth, and factory settings. So, control settings, ito yung kanina, no? So, makikita nyo, nakalagay dito, left, double pinch. Yung pala ang tawag, sa squeeze. Double pinch. So, pwede may setup yung, double pinch na sa left kung gusto mo next track, game mode. Very versatile siya. Kasi pwede mo actually ilagay kahit saan siya. Right? Triple pinch. Pinch and hold. So, pwede mo lalagyan yung triple pinch actually. Kanina naka-previous track. Pwede mo pala siyang gawan lahat. It's actually very, very powerful kasi pwede mo customize dito up to triple pinch, right? Double, triple, and then hold. And then you can basically do everything. You can even use it to enable or toggle game mode off and on. I cannot really emphasize it more, but for 2,000 freaking pesos, Philippine pesos, masyadong super steal to. This is awesome. Again, this is the Edifier W220, okay? And kung ang kulang niya lang actually para sa mga high-end is yung active noise cancellation, but if you think about it, for 2,000 pesos, you have a lot of feature, right? A lot of control, jump back sa control, features, and even sounds really good. Honestly speaking, na-surprise ako sa sounds niya, no? Kasi yung sounds niya is very, very satisfying, right? Pag nagpatugtog ka lalo na ng mga audio, kung meron man akong gripe, guys, sa kanya, ang tanging marereklamo ko, no, is yung volume niya, right? Because nandito ako sa room, medyo tahimik dito, but I think kung nasa outdoors ako, nasa gym or something, is ma-overpower yung kahit na naka-maximum volume pa is ma-overpower ng noise sa labas. Sana meron pang onting volume. And yung comfort niya is perfect. It's very, very good. But I don't think it will stay on a gym. Of course, it's not really meant for gym. But it's good, when you're sitting, working in the office, so you can still hear your kid, right? Or yung mga iba na tumatawag sa'yo. But very, very good. Overall, I highly recommend this one because it's extremely cheap. For 2,000, you can only buy so much, but Edifier is just here making some awesome product. That's thumbs up for me. So again, guys, that's all for today. I'm going to put on the description, syempre, yung mga instruction natin, mga sa giveaway. But to make it simple, ang bunutan natin is December 24. So you have a lot of time, right? A lot of time to join. Kasi minsan, siyempre, masyadong mabilis, hindi tayo makaka-join, no? Mamimigay tayo ng dalawa nito. One straight from Edifier, and then one is the lucky winner for this exact model. And kukuha tayo ng lucky commenter. So, all you need to do, of course, is to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And then, like these videos para naman kumalat pa sa mga tropa natin, no? And this is only exclusive for Philippines, by the way. So, mga Pinoy, no? Para sa atin lang to. And comment lang kayo, guys. Let me know kung anong thoughts nyo dito. Kung meron kayo mga question o kung ano may mga suggestion nyo para sa mga next videos pa. any comment, and then by December 24, bubuno tayo ng isang lucky winner, and basically 2 lucky winners ang bubuno natin para manalo ng unit nito. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, click the like if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. But maraming salamat. Good luck sa mananalo sa December 24. Kita-kits tayo ulit. Stay safe and see you on the next one. Peace.